looking great. But we're gonna put that to the test, okay? So next, I'm gonna just have you read from my eye chart. Okay, I got my chart here. Now I want you to tell me what letter I point to, okay? Okay, so what is this one? E. And this one? F. Okay, let's go a little harder. This one? E again. Alright. Okay, now this is gonna get a little harder. It's going to get a little harder, but I really want to see where your eyesight is at, okay? Okay. So, can you see that? Okay, what letter is this? Oh, okay, great. And this one? Give you a second. Do you see that one? Okay. Now, we're gonna go to the hardest level. Right here. Do you see that letter? No? Okay, most people can't. That's understandable. Yes. Okay, so now that we had you do this test, I'm just gonna have you tell me what color is this? Okay, great. And this? Blue. Okay. What color is this? What color? Okay. Now, what color is this? Pink. Okay. And what color is this? Great. Now, last color. Can you tell me what color is this? Okay. Now I'm going to measure your eye. Measure your eye. Just want to make sure that it's growing at the right rate and all your bones are the right size. Okay? Okay. Okay, so let me just measure this eye first. Okay, good. 1, 2, 4, measure your big ass forehead, okay? Okay, down here. I don't know if the measurements are correct. Okay, and that way again. Okay, so it looks like the measurements in your face are correct, so I think it's just those eye muscles. So maybe that's why you're having a little bit difficulty seeing. But that's okay, really, it should just fix on its own. Okay, but I am going to put some eye drops in your eyes, okay? Okay, so let me just... Okay, I'm just gonna... The eye, I'm gonna just go over it. We're gonna let that sit for a second, okay? This will help your eyes feel a little bit cool. Yes, but it should help strengthen some of those muscles in there. Okay, wow. While it's sitting in there, I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of massage your eye. Help it kind of really get into the crevices. Okay, yeah, I'm not your regular eye doctor. So let me just stipple. Okay. Stipple. Now. Very good. I'm also gonna kind of really get into the crevices. So it's just this eye. Very good. Last one. Let's just... I hope that you're having a great day. I'm sorry that you had to go into the eye doctor. But it's better than getting a shot, right? Yes. So, gonna take this instrument here. I'm gonna try and